welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing my first proper gift guide for Christmas, and this is actually a paid partnership with Pandora, as you guys probably know because I go on and on about it all the time. I'm an ambassador for Pandora and have been for over a year now. One of my favourite jewellery brands, so I'm actually just honoured to be able to work with them. I love the team, so yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that before I get into the video so you don't feel like I've lied to you. But yeah, so this is a paid partnership. So what I thought I'd do today is go through a gift guide for jewellery. So Pandora have jewellery that ranges from under £50 to like over £250, thousands of pounds. So I thought I'd do loads of different sections. So I've got under 55, under 100, under 150, and then under £200. So hopefully something for everyone's price range. And then I've also got a couple of gift ideas for if you don't want to get someone just one thing, like a little set. So yeah, hopefully there'll be something for everyone. And also I find that personally, like, I would be worried about my partner buying me jewellery. Like, I love him so much and he's got great taste, but I think jewellery is something that people can be really particular about. And I think Pandora is a real good brand to go for if you're going for jewellery brands, because you know that there's kind of something for everyone. And I feel like it's jewellery that, like, say you got me a silver bracelet, but I'm more of a gold person, you can put gold charms on it and you can like mix and match it. So I really feel like it's something for everyone. And also anything that you do get, if the person isn't sure, then you can always exchange it for like the colour that they want or whatever. So it's great, in my opinion, a good safe brand to go for if you're going to get jewellery as a gift. So without further ado, let's get into the under £55 gifts and we'll work our way up so that we can like see the differences. So under £55 there's quite a lot of rings that you can get, and I personally love Pandora rings. Like, I'm not wearing any of Pandora jewellery at the moment because I want to show you it all, but I will do close-ups of everything too, so that you can kind of like see it all in detail. And also everything will be linked below, and I will add prices and put them in the sections. And I'm also going to do a blog post with lots of beautiful photographs to go alongside, so you can like properly like see all the details. So hopefully you will be fully informed when you make your purchase. So the first rings I wanted to show you are these little chevron rings. Obviously you won't be able to see, but hopefully there'll be an overlay. So we have a silver one and a rose gold one. They slot in really nicely together if you want to like layer up the two colours. And also they're great for stacking, but they also look really nice on their own. I actually always put one next to my engagement ring and I think, oh, that would be really nice as a wedding band. So the silver one is £30 and the rose gold one is £45. So these guys are super affordable. And the last ring I want to show you that's under £55 is a new addition to my jewellery wardrobe, if you want to call it that. And it's another open ring, so you can tell that I really like those styles. And it's got a silver ball on one side and a pearl ball on the other side, and I just love it because I really like pearls, but I feel like they can be a bit an old-fashioned old lady-ish kind of thing. And Pandora have kind of reinvented the pearls with one of their recent collections, and I just love this ring. I think it's so cool, and again, looks nice stacked or on its own. And I really like, even though it's silver and I'm not normally a silver wearer, I just think it looks so nice, especially mixed in with my rose gold and gold pieces. Then, would you believe it, for under £55 we also have some bracelets. So the first bracelet I want to show you is this gorgeous, I think it's a drawstring, is that how you call it? The tie. So it's a really pretty little bracelet, not what you would normally think for Pandora, because I know you always think of them as the charm bracelets, but it's a beautiful one, and it's inspired by pearls. So it's got the larger circle in the middle and then it kind of graduates out. And then this is actually only £55, which is so affordable for a beautiful little silver bracelet. And at the moment they have got some Christmas gift sets available, so you can actually get this one for £75 with a pair of matching silver stud earrings, which is amazing. Then there are some of the classic charm bracelets also for under £55. So we've got the classic silver bangle here. This is only £50 and it comes in lots of different sizes, and it's just a really cute little silver bangle. I personally like them just on their own too, but then obviously you can add charms too. So if you wanted to get someone just a bangle, you could, or you could add a little charm on to make it a gift, but we'll go into all of that at the end. But yeah, that's a really affordable bracelet option. And as well we have the Essence bangle, which is also £50, and this one's a bit thinner. As you can see, it doesn't actually come with the charm on it, but you can add the charms again as a gift, or you can just have it on its own. But yeah, this one's really nice too, and they actually look really nice stacked together. So if you wanted to get someone just 2 bangles, that would be really cute for £100 to get 2 little silver bangles, which is quite a lot for £100 if you think about it. So moving on up, let's get on to under £100. The first thing I want to show you is this necklace, and it's actually new from their most recent collection for Christmas, and it's the most beautiful necklace. It's this big circle, and then it's got these different shards of I don't know if they're crystals or like cubic zirconia. I think they're cubic zirconia, but I will link it below, and then you can see all the fine details. And it is beautiful. It's so nice. This is a really beautiful one, and what I love about Pandora necklaces is, don't know if you can see the chain, I'll try and do a close-up, but it has 3 different slots, so you can pick how tight you want the bracelet to be. So you don't just have like one length. You can have it short, you can have it medium, or you can have it long. And I always vary mine too, depending on the other necklaces, because I like to wear a few together and have them like in different layers. So I always love that about them. So I've got another bracelet that is under £100. Well, it's actually £100, and this is one of my all-time favourite bracelets, even though it's silver and I said I'm a gold person, but I just love it. And it's this open bangle, and it's got the Pandora circle and like little diamantes, and then the Pandora sign around it. I keep saying diamantes, and it's cubic zirconia. Like, after reading that, you'll have such a high respect for the brand, and you'll realise like what you're getting for this price is incredible. Then we have some earrings for under £100 too. So these earrings I've actually been wearing all the time at the moment. And it's these little hoop earrings. So they're like little rose gold hoops, and then they've got a little pearl like balancing on them, and I just love them. It's like what I said with the ring, they've kind of reinvented the pearls, and I just think that is the most beautiful ring, and such a clever idea, and it's just so simple but also like just a bit special, and I really like that one. I've been wearing these so much. And these ones are £90, which is really good for a nice pair of rose gold earrings. Again, as I said, you can sleep in them, you can shower in them, they will not tarnish. And then if you want something slightly cheaper or silver, we have these ones from the Christmas range, but they are like kind of a circle, but then they get bigger down at the bottom, and they've got this sparkle detail, which is beautiful. And I've been wearing, actually I was wearing the other ones all the time, and then I got these about 2 weeks ago, and I've not stopped wearing these since. So I just really love Pandora jewellery, as you can tell. So now let's talk about rings, because obviously I have so many rings. I'm like a Pandora ring addict. If I could only pick one thing from Pandora, it would definitely be the rings, because I'm obsessed with them and I just love ring stacks. So the first ring I want to show you is super special, again from the Pandora pearl collection, and it's this ring. So it's like a little circle, and then it's got a loose pearl that just hangs, and you'd actually think that would get caught, but it doesn't at all. I've been wearing it constantly and it doesn't get caught. Then if you've got someone who's a Pandora fan, this ring is the perfect gift for them. It's the Pandora crown in a ring. So this is in gold, but they also have it in silver, and again it looks really nice with the ring stack as like the top one or just on its own, and I just think this is an essential for someone who loves Pandora. So I have another bracelet that's like not the standard Pandora bracelet that you would expect a charm bracelet, and this one is a beautiful rose gold cubic zirconia bracelet. It's kind of like a tennis style bracelet, and then it's got this, again, the drawstring to tighten it or loosen it, so whichever size you are. Really handy clasp and super easy to do on your own, which is really handy rather than like a lobster claw. And this bracelet is only £115, which is super affordable for a bracelet like this, just over the £100 mark. So the first one I want to show you is from the new charm bracelet they've just released, which is the Pandora Reflections one. So if you've got someone who's a fan of Pandora, they probably won't have this one yet, so it's a great gift idea. So I have the rose, the gold one, which is obviously my favourite. They do have silver and rose gold, which are way more affordable. So I will link those below too. I think the silver one is under £100, and you don't get the charms on it, but I've got the charms on it just to show you. And it's just a really nice, simple mesh bracelet, and it looks really nice if they've got the other bracelets too together, or on its own, or as a lovely gift idea you could get them the silver and the gold would look really nice together. Another piece from the pearl collection that's kind of reinventing pearls, and it's this beautiful necklace that is just like a chain with gold, rose gold. It's a rose gold chain. It's got these rose gold balls and pearls dotted down, and it's just gorgeous. Again, it looks so nice as like the final piece in a layering necklace, and it's got that same chain where you can pick how long you like it, so you can have it, this is the shortest, or you can have it longer if you like. And I've actually worn this as well, wrapped around, so it's like short and then a little slightly longer one. It's like a double necklace when it's on the longer chain, and it looks really nice like that too. So now I wanted to go into the more like specialized gift area, rather than just showing you everything I have for like the different prices. I mean, all of those are great gift ideas as well, but if you wanted to do like a combination or something more of like a gift, then I have some great ideas here. So first of all, I want to show you some of my favorite charms, because first of all, if someone's already got a bracelet, then charms are a great gift. Second of all, if you wanted to get them a bracelet with a charm, great gift. And also, these charms, actually, I've tried it myself, they look really nice on the necklaces, like the chain. So you can buy the chain separately, and you could buy a charm and make a really cute little necklace. So or if they've got a chain themselves. So there's a few different ways that you can wear the charms, so and like gift to them. So I just wanted to show you some. So the first one I wanted to show you is this beautiful gold charm from the Shine collection, and it's the Pandora heart, and it's got the little cubic zirconia heart in the center, and then it's got Pandora written around it, and it's just beautiful. Another one I wanted to show you is a silver one, and this is from the new collection, and it's this beautiful silver one with these scattered cubic zirconia all in different sizes, and it's just so beautiful. It looks so elegant, and it's just, I think this would be so nice on a chain actually, as a necklace. Then the final one I wanted to show you is this little rose gold cut out heart. It's just a beaded rose gold heart, and there's nothing in the center. It's just completely hollow. I can't get my finger through there to show you, but and then it's got this beading all around it, and it's just beautiful. And this one is only £30, so a great option, and also so cute on a necklace. I think this would be a really cute gift for a young person, so not a young person, so like a child, on a chain as like a necklace. I think this would be so cute on a little girl. So another gift that I think is a great idea for someone who loves Pandora, or just anyone, is a ring stack. So rather than just buying one ring, you could buy a few to make a set to like wear on one finger all together, or they could wear them separately if they wanted to. And this is my absolute favorite ring stack, so I had to show you it because I wear it all the time. And it is the wheat ring. The first ring is actually only £35, and then these ones are slightly more. All together it's £180 to make this ring stack, which is quite affordable for 3 rings, 2 of them being gold. And I love the mix of the silver and gold, and then in the center one it's slightly thicker, and you can see it's got the cubic zirconia running through it, and it's got the different kind of brushed metal, the shiny metal, and I just think it's so nice all together. And then of course the final gift idea is to make a bracelet. So rather than just giving them a bracelet on their own, you could give them a bracelet with a charm on, and make them a bracelet. And if you're very generous, you could give them a bracelet with lots of charms on. And also this is a really good one, so you could either give them the bracelet with the charm on in the box, or you can wrap them up separately, and then they've got like loads of gifts to open, which is really cute, and they can like build it themselves. So the first one that I want to show you is my all-time favorite bracelet, the lock bracelet, and then my all-time favorite charm, which is the white glass bead, and it's got the gold detail on it, and it's just so beautiful. This bracelet is my all-time fave. I think it's so gorgeous. I would totally recommend. So if you wanted to buy this bracelet with the lock with the cubic zirconia and the white glass bead, and altogether that would be £240. Then the next bracelet I want to show you is the Essence bracelet, and I think the Essence bracelet is a lovely gift. It's not as thick as some of the other bracelets, so it's way more dainty. And I have the bangle, they do have the bracelets as well, and they're all much thinner and more dainty. And then I've just added one bead on here to show you. And what I love about the Essence charms is that each bead has essence, if you will. So this one is Positivity charm, and it's beautiful because it's marble, so it's really nice. And just like nice to look at, but it just has the most lovely meaning. So you could either give it to someone if you think that they need to be more positive, or just even just to be like, here's some positivity, I'm giving it to you, and you can wear it and remind you to be positive and happy, or like to give you positivity in your life. Or you could say you're a really positive person and I see that in you, so I wanted to give you this bracelet because I just think it is your essence. You are such a positive person, which is also a really nice gift. And they also have ones for like loyalty, for strength, for balance, for all sorts, so it's definitely worth having a look, and they're all beautiful charms. So this one is much more affordable than my £240 one. This is £85 for the charm and the bracelet, which is amazing, under £100 for both. Then the final one I wanted to show you in my whole gift guide is the standard Pandora silver bangle with the beautiful pave sphere charm on it, which is so gorgeous, and everyone loves a bit of sparkle for Christmas. Oh, someone else is joining in the video. So with the bangle and with the charm, altogether that's £160, which is super affordable for a lovely gift like this. And also, then it qualifies you for your free bracelet. So everyone's a winner here. So I really hope that you guys liked my video. I hope that you found it helpful. I hope that you've got some ideas now of what you're gonna get people and maybe who you're gonna treat, if you're gonna treat yourself. Self-gifting is definitely a thing. I always get myself a Christmas gift, and usually it's the best one. Not gonna lie. So I'll link everything below. I'll link the products, I'll write the price, I'll link a picture of me wearing them, and then also there'll be the blog post for some more close-up pictures. I'm trying to not get distracted by her. And thank you so much to Pandora for sponsoring this video and being part of it, and for having me as an ambassador, because I love you guys. And I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to see you next time, and I will see you next time. Bye.